Hi guys, my name is Najini Merchant, and on this day we are going to make a lotus flower a candle holder with recycled materials. Okay, now we will need as materials first is spoons of any size you have. Second, scissors, a glass or a small container like this. For me, I will use a green foamy for a lips, glue gun, and finally a candle. The one used at home can be battery or wax. Guys, if you are minor, it is better to do this craft with the help of an adult, especially when you use scissors or a stick with hot silicone. You have to be very careful when making this craft. Okay, first we have to take a spoon and with the scissor cut from the beginning of the head of the spoon 1 centimeter.
I don't wanna get you started on everything I did to you. But if you're gonna get me started on the heartache, then I will never go and hide the truth. While I was here waiting for days, you went away. You let him come inside on your hidden days, and I would have waited.
Yes, and 7 or 8 spoons we cut more to the edge of the head of this. More or less so. Now I will show you some models to make a lotus flower leaves in our foamy, and we can also make them in a notebook sheet and guide us from this. The height of it has to be a 70.5 centimeter, while the width of 5 centimeter. Now with the models, we will make the leaves in our phone. Okay guys, once the leaves are cut, we hit the silicone gun and grab the glass, and with the large spoons we begin to paste. In this part of here of the spool, we place the hot silicone and put it on the edge of the glass that is straight. In this way, we place the other spoons.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.
Okay guys, once we have finished, we start with the second row and paste it between two spoons, leaving approximately 150 or 2 centimeters. So we continue with the other. Like this. In the last row, we use the 7 smaller ones and we pass them off the edge of the pass of the glass in the final part right here. We also place it between two spoons of the second row. We wait for it to dry well to glue the lips later. The lips can be made in a cardboard or in the materials that you prefer. I cut 6 pieces. The end, we put the hot silicones.
I tear myself down to be built back up again. Oh, I hope somehow I'll wake up young again. All that's left of myself, holes in my false confidence, and now I lay myself down and hope I wake up young again. Hope I wake up young again. Don't let those demons in again. I filled the void up with polished out.
Well, we had paced everything correctly, and this is how our project ended. Oh, so in this part you can place your candle. Guys, I hope you like this simple craft. It is a way to reuse our materials, to recycle and increase our creativity. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you guys soon.